Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Before I start this compound interest things, I want to know if there is any doubts. Tomorrow I got exam. Any doubts?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait.
Yeah, what is the doubt, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
WhatsApp is not open.
Hmm?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, find the approximate value of.
Huh.
Hello, sir.
Approximate value of
1 plus
1 plus
under root of 0.01
0.01. Okay.
divided by
Whole divided by
1 minus
1 minus
root of 0.1.
root of 0.1.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I solved this question, I got answer 1 by root of 0.01.
How did you solve this?
1 minus 0.01.
1 minus, sir. 1 by 1 minus.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how did you
Sir,
solve
here.
this?
Sir, using a square minus b square identity, we can solve, sir.
But numerator is 0.01, in the denominator is just 0.1.
No, sir. When we solve denominator a square minus b square, we get 1 minus 0.01 multiplied to 1 plus 0.01. 1 plus 0.01 cancels, sir. So 1
Actually, the
minus.
thing is, whenever you have something like this, no, 0.01 under root, it can be written as 1 divided by 100, which is root 1 by root 100, 1 by 10. This value is 1 by 10. When root 0.1 is there, it is 1 by 10, 1 by root 10.
Root 1 by 2, no, sir.
If you are
What?
solving this, if you are solving in this way, this is 1 plus 1 by 10 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 10. If you take the LCM in the numerator, it is 10, 10 plus 1 whole divided by root 10 minus 1 divided by root 10. So this is 11 by 10 into root 10 divided by root 10 minus 1. So this is the answer here. Nothing more you can do.
Sir, we can cancel root 10 with a denominator of 10. Sir. We can get root 10.
If you want to write this as a root 10 into root 10, there is no issue. One of the thing get cancelled. It becomes 11 divided by root 10 times of root 10 minus 1.
Sir, here 11, 10 minus root 10.
Okay. 11 divided by, when you multiply this, it becomes 10. This becomes a root 10. This is the final answer. Furthermore, you
Okay, sir.
cannot do anything here.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you have to rationalize the denominator. You need to multiply 10 plus root 10 divided by 10 plus root 10. We will be getting the answer as 11 times of 10 plus root 10 divided by 100 minus 10, 90. This could be the answer. Both are same. These two are same. This concept, rationalizing denominator, you have it in class 9th.
Yes, sir. Multiplying it by its negative.
Actually, it is not called as a negative. It is called as a conjugate. This
Yes, sir.
concept you will learn in class 9th. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
need not worry about that. This question is not for your syllabus. Select.
Good morning, sir.
Any other question, sir? Uday,
Sir, what's
any other question related to exam point of view?
no, sir.
No, sir. Did we solve all these questions till question 10 we had solved yesterday?
Yes, sir. Till 10 questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now the 11th question. The compound interest on rupees 6,400 at 7.5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually is. So we need to find the compound interest. First we shall find the amount. Amount will be equal to principal into 1 plus rate of
35 by
interest
2
is
into 100.
15 by 200
15 by 2 into 100.
to the power 2.
Yes.
This is 6,400 multiplied to 215 divided by 200 multiplied twice. So 2 of the zeros get cancelled 232 times. Further, it is 4 8 times, 450 times. Then this is 4 times, this is 25 times. Now it is divisible by
So
5.
7396.
3 is, sorry, 4, 3, 43, 43. So it is like 4 times of 43 into 43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7396.
7396.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Amount?
Yes, amount.
Yes, sir.
The compound interest on rupees.
So compound interest
We
is
have to find the
996.
compound interest, no?
996.
CI is amount minus principal.
Yes, sir.
Option is not there.
Yes, sir. 996.
Compound
996.
interest.
Sir,
Yes.
So
the
answer is
amount of
none of this. Sometimes we get confused that the option is given 7396B and we tick on B. But the question was related to compound interest, not related to amount. So you cannot expect marks there. Don't be confused.
Sir,
Let's look at this amount.
someone has asked a question in the chat box. Could you please answer that?
In the chat box, I am not able to see the chat box. Yeah.
Option A, sir. 1/10 of the previous number.
Sir, I'll read it.
Okay, for a fixed base, if the exponent decreases by 1, the number becomes
1/10 of the previous number, sir.
for a fixed base, if the exponent decreases by 1. Suppose if I consider a to the power of m as a number. This is a number. It is having a fixed base, so base remains a, and its exponent decreases by 1, means n minus 1.
Minus 1, sir.
Okay. Now we need to compare these two. How do I get minus 1 here? If I am having a to the power of n divided by a to the power of 1, then there is a possibility to get n minus 1. So it means that if there is something like 10 to the power of 3, to
10
get
to the
10 to the
power.
power of 2, I have to take 1 by 10 times. See it? If the
Yes.
base is 10,
Yes, sir.
I have to take 1 by 10 times. If the base is 5, suppose if it is 5 cube, to get 5 to the power of 2, I have to take 1 by 5 times. So 1/10 should not be the answer because they have not given that base is 10. 10 times is also not the answer. Option C, 100th of previous number is also
Sir,
not the
it
answer.
should be like 1 by the given number.
1 by given number. That option is not there. Actually, when we had discussed the question, this question was there. Uday had said and Ajay had said that there is a discrepancy in the question. Probably first I must have said that option A was right, 1/10 of the previous number, thinking that the base is 10. If the base is 10, then 1/10 of the previous number is exactly correct answer. If base is 10. They have not given that base is 10. They have just said that for a fixed base. So there is no answer in the given options. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Understood, sir.
So let's take the 12th question. In what time will rupees 1000 amounts to 1331 at 10% per annum compounded annually? We have to find the number of years. They have given that principal has become amount at 10% per annum. So 1331 is the amount which is equated to principal 1000
1000
multiplied to 1 plus
to
10 by
1 by
100
10.
to the power 2. Sorry, to the power n.
To
This
the power
n we
n.
need to find. Okay, 1331 divided by 1000 will be equal
Equal
to
110 upon 100.
110 by
100
100 to the power
की
n.
power n.
0 cancel हो जाएगी. Now
11
if
by
you
10.
observe, this is 11
Sir,
by
this is the
10 whole
cube
cube.
of 11 by 10.
Correct, sir. So the number of years we get it as 3 years.
3.
So the right answer is option C, 3 years. So these were the questions which are MCQ type. Now we have a long answer type questions. The first long answer type question is here. It is related to percentage. A man buys a plot of agriculture land for rupees 30,000, 3 lakh.
3 lakhs.
3 lakh. He sells 1/3 at a loss of 20%, 2/5 at a gain of 25%. At what price must he sell the remaining land so as to make a overall of 10% profit? Yeah, here is divided into 3 parts. First part, 1/3 is sold at a loss of 20%, and 2/5 at a gain of 25%. Then the remaining he has to sell it so that he has a gain of 10%. Yes, how to go about this question? Suppose if I consider the cost price to be 3 lakh, because they have given he buys a plot for rupees 3 lakh. So let me write the cost price. Cost price is 3 lakh. 1/3 he has sold it at a loss of 12%.
20%.
20%. So 1/3 refers to what? If the 1/3 is
So 1/3
considered,
of 3 lakh.
1/3 of 3 lakh we have to take as a cost
1
price.
lakh.
So we get
Yes,
it
so
as
1
1
lakh.
lakh. Then there is a loss of 20%. So loss of 20%. So loss percent is given as 20. So we need to find by taking the formula SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent divided by 100, because there is a loss. So selling price will become equal to 1 lakh into 100 minus 20,
80.
80 divided by 100. So two of the zeros get cancelled. We get it as 80,000 is a selling price.
Yes.
And yeah, they have given that he has sold 2/5 of the land by making a gain. So first let us find out the cost price. 2/5 means 2 by 5 times of 3 lakh.
1,20,000.
6 times. So 1 2
Yes, sir.
0
60,000.
1 2 0 followed by 3 zeros. 1 lakh 20,000.
20,000.
And he is making a gain. The gain percent is given, which is 25%. So the selling price we can find it out. This will be CP, which is 1240 into 100 plus profit percent.
Yes, sir. 125.
25 divided by 100. So
100.
2 of the zeros get cancelled. 12 times of 125 is 1000.
So SP is 1,50,000.
1500. Yes, sir.
1,50,000.
Yes, you are right. 1,50,000. This
1,50,000
1,50,000 is the
added to
selling price.
yes.
In the third step, they have given that remaining land, he has sold it at 10% gain. So remaining how to find?
So we have to add both the 1 lakh and 1,20,000 and might subtract from 3 lakh.
To find the remaining, I can do like this: 1 minus 1/3
70,000,
plus
sir.
2/5.
Sir, our remaining is 70,000.
Can
Our
I
remaining.
write like this: 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 to get the remaining?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much will be that? 1 minus LCM is 15.
Sir, we should subtract it from 3,30,000, sir,
Yes,
because
sir.
they have
Yes,
told
sir.
10% profit.
Yeah, Ram se will solve. Wait here. 15, if
Sir,
15 is there,
we should
5
minus
plus 2.
11 by 15.
adding
5 plus 6.
by this
5
thing,
plus
sir.
6 is 11. So
4 by
4 by
15.
15.
4 by
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
So if
4
I
by
find the cost price now for the remaining it is
70,000
4 by 15 times of 3 lakh.
or 3 lakhs, sir. 4,000,
4 by 15 times this becomes 20.
Yes, sir.
70,000.
20,000.
80,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 80,000 we get. This is the cost price for the remaining land. So we can find the selling price of the remaining land. They have given that
100 into
profit is 10%.
yes, sir. 100 into
So
110
80,000
divided by 8
80,000 into 110 divided by 100.
divided by 100. 2 0 will
Zero
cancel.
cancel 88 followed by
88,000.
3 zeros.
Yes, sir. 88,000.
88,000.
Sir,
Okay.
88,000.
Is the question
Sir, why
completed
you took
here?
sir?
No.
1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Why you took this?
We need to find out the overall
Sir,
gain.
sir, you took 10% profit. No, sir. It is not for third part, sir. It is for whole land.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'm getting a call. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 2,
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ
2.3 lakh.
The sir speaking call.
ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಹಾ ರೀ ಓಕೆ. Yes. Here they have given that to make a overall profit of 10%. So to make a overall profit of 10%, if I consider overall, for overall cost price is 3 lakh.
3 lakh. Yes, sir. We have to
Selling
add
price
all
is
the selling price.
3,30,000.
Selling price, overall selling price, if I want to find, it has to be
Sir,
10%.
3 lakh
So
30,000, sir. It is
110 by 100 to be
30,000.
multiplied to 3 lakh.
And sir,
3
from
lakh
3 lakh
30,000 we get.
30,000, we have to minus
Hmm.
this first one and second one.
First one and second one. First one and second one means 80,000 to be
2.3.
added to 1,50,000.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2 lakh
2.3.
30,000.
So earlier
Minus
sold.
Answer, we will get 1 lakh
Here
as the
sold
answer.
is
Yes, sir. 1 lakh.
sorry 80,000 plus 1,50,000 कितना होगा
2 lakh 30,000.
2,30,000.
30,000. Yes, sir.
This is to be
30,000. 30,000.
subtracted
1
from
lakh.
this.
Yes, sir. 1 lakh.
From 3,30,000, I need to subtract 2,30,000. We get it as 1
1
lakh
lakh.
only.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. 1 lakh.
So
Yes, sir.
1 lakh is the answer. He has to sell it for 1 lakh so that overall profit he'll get as 10%. But what is the use of finding this here?
Yes, sir. 88,000. Why, sir?
Sir, it is no use. I was telling, sir.
That
No use,
only.
sir.
So actually this is of no use, this part. To find the overall, we can straight away consider from here. After that, I have to take this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now look at second question. A man bought 2 TV sets for 42,500. He sold one at a loss of 10%, other at a profit of 10%. If the selling price of the TV is the same, find the cost price of each set. Selling price is same. We need to find the cost price of each set. Suppose if I consider one of the TV he has purchased for some rupees X, the second price will be 42,500 minus X, because they have given
Yes, sir.
2 TV sets.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we can do divided by 2, sir.
Suppose if
Divided by
I
2.
consider let cost price of first TV set, if I take it as
42,500.
X, then cost price of second TV set will be 42,500 minus X.
100 minus X.
So this
Yes,
part
sir.
is okay. From this we can find out the selling price of the first TV set. So SP of first TV set.
Is equal to
Let me take this as SP1. This will be equal to
X into
here there is a loss of 10%.
yes, sir.
So
X into
100 minus 10 into the cost
X,
price,
sir.
which is X, divided
Divided
by
by 100.
100. So
90x
further if I
divided by
find
100.
it out, it is 9 by 10.
90x, sir.
9 by 10 now.
90.
90 by
Yes,
100
sir.
means 9 by 10 x. So let me call this as equation. This is the selling price of the first TV set. Same way we can find the selling price of second TV set.
Profit 10%.
Let me write it as SP2. So SP2 will be equal to, there is a
100
profit
plus
of
10, sir.
10%. So it becomes 100 plus 10 divided by 100 times of, I should not
42,000
consider X. I have to consider 42,500 minus X.
minus X.
This will be 110 by 100, which becomes 11 by 10 multiplied to 42,500 minus X. This is our equation 2.
So we can cut one
If
of the
you
zero.
if you observe
Yes,
the question
sir.
here, if the selling price of TV is the same, so SP1 and SP2 are equal.
Yes,
They
sir.
are equal. So we'll
Yes, sir.
equate it. 9 by
The selling
10x
price of
is
each
equal to
TV.
Equals 11 by
11 by
10,
10 times of
42,500
42.
42,500
minus
minus
6.
6. Now
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh
So we
said
can
that
do it
denominator we can
multiplication, sir.
cancel. Yes, we can cancel. Now if you multiply this, 9x will become equal to 11 times of 42,500. 42,500 into 11 minus 11 times of x. If I transpose
you
it
can bring 11
this side,
this
11 should be added to 9, 20.
20x.
So x value
20x.
becomes 42,500 into 11 by 20. So 1
0,
over
0.
0 get cancelled. This will
By 2
be,
we can cancel, sir.
yes, 2125 into 11. 2125, 2125 written here. When we add this, we get it as
23375, sir.
23375. 23375 is the value of x. They have asked us to find out the cost price of each. No? So first TV set, CP of first TV set is
23,375.
23,375. For the second TV set,
42500 minus 23,375.
so 42500 minus 23375, subtract it. This will be 52191 So 19,125 is one of the cost price, and other cost price is 23,375. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
No, sir. Probably this question is difficult. A man sold 2 articles at 25,920 each. These were sold at 8% gain and 4% loss respectively. Find the gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. So here there is a gain on one article and there is a loss on the other article, but the selling price of each article is 25,920. What is not known is cost price. The cost price
Yes.
of
sir.
the articles are not known.
CP is not
Suppose
known.
if I consider the cost price of the first article as CP1 and cost price of the second article as CP2, I can find it by using the formula SP into 100 divided by
Plus
100 plus gain percent, and CP2 is SP into 100 divided by
minus
100
100
minus
minus
loss percent,
4. Yes, sir.
because they have given 8% gain in the first and 4% loss in the next. So if I use the formula here, I can find CP1, CP2.
25,920
This is 25,920 into
into 100
100 divided by
divided by
108.
108. Okay. Same way, 25,920 into 100 divided by 96. These two values we need to find. We can cancel this 100 and 108, 50 and 54 times, again 25. Both are divisible by 4. No?
24. Yes, sir. It is 24,000, sir. First one
25
24.
divided by 4 2 times and 4 7 times.
Yes, sir. 24,000, sir. Total answer
20,000.
24,000, sir.
Yes, sir.
20
First one,
yes, sir.
24,000.
24,000
Yes.
rupees.
Okay.
Second one is
Second one also we need to find. This is 25 times 4 2s are 4 4s are 24. I think we can simplify this.
27,000,
12,
sir.
sir.
27,000.
27,000.
Yes, sir. 27,000 rupees.
The others also have calculated.
Yes, sir.
Agree that 27 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So both the cost prices are found. What to do when both the cost prices are known to us?
So we have
Now we
to
should find SP, sir.
double the SP and add both the selling cost prices.
Yes, sir.
So it is like we'll find the total cost price
And
and total selling price.
selling price.
Total
Here
selling price minus
total
cost
cost
price.
price is
24,000.
24 should be added to 27.
Yes, sir. Minus.
51.
51 na?
Yes, sir.
51,000.
51,000.
Total selling price is 2 times of
51,840.
25920.
51,840.
840 profit.
840 is gain, sir,
So
and
there is a total gain.
50%.
Total gain is
840, sir. 840 into 100 divided by
so gain percent
1,000.
840 divided by the
Cost price
total cost. Total cost price is
is
5100
51,000.
into 100.
Into 100, sir.
So 1
2
0
0 will cancel.
cancelled here, 2
3
0
0 will
cancelled
cancel.
here. So it
51.
is 84 by
4 by
51.
51. 27 by 17.
20?
No, sir, not 27.
It
28.
is not divisible by 3 or
So
It is divisible by
It
3,
is
sir.
divisible by 3,
yes,
sir.
sir, it will be divisible by 3, sir.
How
3
much
2
will be
are
that?
3 8
3
28
2
by 17.
28 by 17.
28 by?
17, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Further,
28
we
by
cannot do
17.
anything, no?
No, sir.
So
No,
we
sir.
have to find in decimal 1.6
17.
One integer 11
times
by
6
17%.
times 4 times. Approximately, we get 1.64%.
Yes, sir. 1.64%.
Yes. It's easy.
Yes, sir. 1.64% gain, sir.
Gain
Yes.
percent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1.64% gain percent.
Okay. Question 4. A man bought an article and sold it again at gain of 10%. If we had bought it at 20% less and sold it for rupees 10 more, he would have made a profit of 40%. Find cost price of the article. Man
man
has
brought
bought an article and he sold it and got 10% gain.
CP of the article is
So let
X.
me take that as a X as the cost price. So selling price will be the cost price plus the profit. Something like this. If I consider CP to be X, then the selling price will be the cost price plus the profit. They have given 10% profit.
So it is profit percent, sir.
Profit percent. So it is 10% of X. है ना? So X plus 10 by 100X. So 11X by 10. This will become the selling price. If we had bought at 20% less, so the cost price would become 20% less. So X minus 20 by
100x.
100 times of X. So this 0 get cancelled.
8x by 10.
8.
1 by 5.
8 by 10.
8x by 10.
8 by 10x. This will be the cost price.
SP
So we
would
can
be
find
11x by 10 plus 10.
SP will be
11x by 10 plus 10.
11x by 10 plus 10.
11x by 10 plus x
plus 10.
Plus
10
10
rupees.
rupees.
So 10 rupees more. Okay. And you would make
11x
a
by
profit of
10 plus
40%.
10 is equal to 40% of 11x by 10.
So instead of taking X as a CP, sir, take 100 as a CP.
Selling price minus cost price is the gain. That is profit. So we have to take this 2 and subtract to get the profit.
And then 40% will be the profit percentage.
Profit percentage is 40, correct? So profit percentage, when it is known, how to find the profit? Profit percentage is profit by cost price into 100. So
Yes, sir.
profit will be
So
profit
profit will
percentage
be
into
11x
CP
by
by
10
100.
plus 10 minus 8 by 10x.
So let me use this formula here. Profit percentage 40 hai, 40 into cost price is 8 by
8
10.
8x by 10.
So 8 by 10x divided by 100.
Zero will cancel.
This I'll
0 will
equate it
cancel.
here. 11x by 10 plus 10 minus 8 by 10x. So this will be the equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0, 0 cancelled here. If you observe the left hand side, 10 is the
32x by
LCM.
100.
10 is the LCM. So 11x plus 100 minus 8x is equal to 8 4s
32
are
by
32
100.
divided by
X.
100
32 x.
x.
Yes.
So one of the 0 I can cancel out here. 11 minus 8 will be 3.
3.
3x
Yes, sir.
plus 100.
3x plus 100
3x plus
is equal to
100
32x.
is equal to 32 by 10.
32x.
So
Yes,
cross
sir.
multiply,
32 by 10x.
we get
30x plus
30x
1000.
plus
30x plus
1000.
1000 is equal to 32x.
Transpose it.
5000, sir. X is equal
2x
to
is equal
5000.
to 1000.
500.
X,
Yes.
X is
500.
equals to
Yes, sir.
500.
500, sir. 500.
500 is the cost price. They have asked
Yes, sir.
to find the cost price. So cost price is 500. Abhinav was suggesting that we have to take 100 instead of that. Will things become easy if I take
Yes,
100?
sir. We can do, sir. By
We can
taking 100
do.
also.
Will it be easy?
Easy, sir, it
Suppose if
is.
I
So I think so it will be easy.
suppose if this is
Things are easy.
100, if it is 100, it is 100 plus 10%, so 110. You know?
So it will be easy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
It
it will
will be
be
easy.
100 minus 20, which will become 80. This will become 110 plus 10, 120.
120.
So 120 minus 80, which is 40, which is equal to 40% of cost price, 110. What are we going to do with this here? Hmm?
Sir, here
Sir,
40%,
zero
40
will
rupees
cancel, sir.
profit happened for
Zero.
100 rupees, sir. So for 500 rupees.
40%?
How do you find 500?
40% is equated to 100 rupees. No, I don't make any sense in writing like this.
Variable is only option.
I think we get confused if I are writing 100 here. If I am taking x, I can make a statement, an equation is obtained. If you take 100, probably we won't get equation. This is understood? This part?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Understood, sir.
If there is any other doubt, you can ask, since the time is up. For tomorrow's exam, there is no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No
Sir,
doubt.
how many
All
sections?
chapters are easy.
Sir, how
Yes,
many
sir.
sections, sir?
One chapter. Yes.
How many sections? Some questions are MCQ type. Some are 2 marks, some are 3 marks, some are 4 marks.
So can you tell how much questions are there in MCQ? 2 marks, 3 marks, sir?
MCQ, there will be 20 questions.
1 mark, sir. MCQ.
MCQ 1 mark each, 20 questions.
Oh, yes, sir. 20 marks. Then.
4
Hmm.
marks, how many questions? Sir?
Then you have
2 marks.
5 questions which are 2 marks
Yes, sir.
and
30.
4 questions of 3 marks and 2 questions of 4 marks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. What did I say?
Sir,
Sir,
20 question will be of
20
MCQ,
MCQ,
5
2
questions
mark
of 2
question,
marks,
5
4 questions of 3 marks,
of 3
and 2
mark,
questions
and
of
2
4
question
marks.
of 4 mark.
So how many sections?
4
4
sections.
sections,
4
sir.
sections.
Section
4
A is 20 into 1, 20 marks. Section B is 5 into 2, 5 questions of 2 marks, 10 marks. Section
Yes, sir.
C is 4
4
questions of
into
3
3.
marks, 4
3.
into 3, 12 marks. Section D is 2 questions of 4 marks, 2 into 4, 8 marks. So this is how it is divided, and all questions are not so difficult. You should save time in solving MCQ, then rest of the things easily you can do.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should only write answers for
Write only
MCQ.
options with the answer here. That is
Sir,
required.
can we write sections in any order, like from starting from
Yeah,
section?
no problem, no issues. But question number has to be written properly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
In the question paper, you have continuous questions, right from question number 1 to question number 31. So totally 31 questions will be there. You can attempt in any order, but don't repeat it. Okay, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you. All the best for
Thank
the
you, sir.
exam.